Tonight I won an award at my very first company day. I've been with the company for 5 months, joined on the graduate programme, and it's really nice to win an award because it shows that the company's really kind of noticed the hard work and the commitment I've given in the last 5 months.
I've met and worked with so many different types of people in different practices, so learning from them has been just phenomenal.
Loads of different areas to move into, and also everyone would help you get there, so it's a brilliant programme as a graduate.
So I've got to work on a lot of projects because of the skills that I've learned on the graduate programme.
There's huge scope for growth at Columbus. Our graduates have a very structured programme and they become experienced consultants very quickly, to the point that, you know, they're subject matter experts within 2, 3, 4 years.
It's a brilliant company to work for. The benefits are endless, the people are fantastic, and to be honest, it's very challenging and you get a lot out of it, but in the end you'd never look back. It's brilliant.
Working for Columbus is the best thing that's happened to me. The training is brilliant, the colleagues are brilliant, and most importantly, you'll enjoy the social life that comes with joining Columbus as well. It's a pleasure to come to work every day.
Best move I've ever made, best kind of career path, so really happy.